Hey everyone, this is Adam Wallace with Keller Williams Realty. This is our new listing. This is a 360 video, so as we're walking through the video, you'll see exactly everything that we see, and you can go ahead and scroll around by touching the screen or moving your phone around, or you can use your clicker on the computer. So we're at 310 8th Avenue East in Palmetto, Florida. This is North Shore at Riviera Dunes. This home has 2,000 square feet under air, has 2,700 square feet total. This is a pool home that is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. And this is a resort-style community that has a boat slip with it, so it is a waterfront community. Let's go ahead and take a look around. We start out here in the courtyard pool area, and we're going to go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so we just walked in from the courtyard area, and we're walking into an open concept floor plan. Off to the left over here, you've got the granite countertops, open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, solid wood cabinets. As you can see, we've got the dining room off to the left over here. You've got views of the pool from everywhere in the home. Inside here, we've got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and then there's a separate suite that's in the courtyard area that actually has its own bathroom and bedroom for family or friends that come down and visit. Here's the guest bathroom for you. We'll go into the guest bedroom now. Take a look around. You've got the views of the lake out behind the home, and plantation shutters throughout the home as well. This community is a resort style community. Tennis courts, it's got a clubhouse, it's got a community pool as well. Has a fitness center. You've got a 40-foot boat slip with this home, and it does convey with it. We've also got a master bathroom here that we're in the master bedroom. So take a look around. Nice big garden tub. Stand-up shower. This is a gated community for that extra security for you as well. All right, so over in the restaurant portion of Riviera Dunes, you've got 3 marinas, and there is the Blue Mangrove over there, which has live music daily pretty much. So you really have a resort community that you basically don't have to leave, to be honest with you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the suite. All right, so we just stepped into the suite. This would be the pool bath, just off of the courtyard pool area. And then you have a separate bedroom in here as well for the privacy of your guests or family members that come visit you. Let's go check out the dock area and see that 40-foot boat slip that comes with this home. All right guys, here's the marina. This is a protected harbor for you. Right behind me is your slip for the 40-foot boat. This marina leads out to the river, and you can go out to the Gulf and the Intercoastal from here. Behind me as well as across the way there, you see the clubhouse, the tennis courts, the community pool, the fitness center. So if you have any questions about this property or would like some more information, you can reach out to me. My phone number is down below, or you can click the property link down below and get a little more information as well. Thanks for taking the time to watch.